Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can let only people you follow mention you on threads. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Next, select the hamburger menu. After that, open Privacy and then select Mentions. Here, tap on the button beside profiles you follow, and that's it. This is how you can only let people you follow mention you on threads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.